Hi, so this is your boy Richardson XFX once again. It has been quite time sometimes, I know, without we discussing something new since we had our last episode. Yeah, so it has been quite some time. Right, so today, welcome back to our new discussion, right? So, uh, before we continue, kindly don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. All right. Okay. So today is a new month, and I think everyone knows, all traders know that it's a new month, and probably it's a new month. Today is a Friday. Okay. Today is Friday, and what's there? Okay. What's there? Today, it's the biggest news of all time, right? So normally we call it NFP, okay? That's non-farm payroll, right? So normally it happens only once a month, and it happens in the first Friday of the month, all right? So it's today, probably GMT time 3, around by 15:30. Okay, 15:30. That's when the news will probably begin. So let me hope everyone is ready for it. So and on this day, there are those who can gain, there are those who can lose. So two sides, okay, because it's a game of losing and gaining. So if you do it wrongly, yeah, you know what is it. Okay, so we know that during NFP, there's a long candle momentum move. Okay, so market just shoots once, and probably you make some profit, right? And like those of having small account, that's when people can flip a small account to bigger accounts. Those of $20, any amount, okay, of any amount of small, they can flip it to become a very big amount. Okay, so everyone makes money during this process. But according to our last 2 months, yeah, 2 months, according to how I've been seeing the NFP of the last 2 months, it wasn't so good according to how we expected it. Okay, so like it wasn't so good. So like we could expect a very big move, but just was, it was something very small. And so for this month, we are waiting to see, because 2 months like it wasn't so good, right? So for this time, we are going to wait and see. Okay, so without wasting of time, so today's topic is all about 5 rules of trading. Okay, so we're going to talk about rules of trading. Okay, so as I said, without wasting of time, click a like button and subscribe. All right, so because we can make more content of this, okay, as educational purposes. Okay, so our rule number one, it is like, make peace with your losses. Okay, make peace with your losses, so like they won't disturb your future. Let me hope you understood that. Like, how do you make peace with your losses? How? Probably like, we go into now, that's called a revenge trading. Okay, so like when market takes you out, what do? Like, do you still go back again and you look for the very money you lost? Probably that's called a revenge. Then you end up like losing everything, or we call it over trading. Okay, so you make some profit, right? After making some profit, then like you end up losing everything. Why? Because you're over trading, right? You're not following the right procedure. So if you don't do that, so it will disturb, like it will disturb your future. So make peace with your losses so that it won't disturb your future. All right. So our second rule is like what other people think of your trading. So it's a question, like what other people think of your trading. Hmm? What other people think of your trading? Actually, it's none of your business. So what I mean here, like we can be having different, kind of people outside there. So they can negatize you, right? They tell you very many kind of things that forex trading is scam or what. Okay, so it's you who's in the game, and you know the right thing to do. Okay, like don't listen to other people's words. Okay, because it's you like who came into this industry, and you learn everything accordingly. Okay, from step one to the last one. Okay, so like don't ignore people's negativity. All right, because it's not it's none of your business. Like let them think of anything they want. Okay, that yeah, you're a gambler, you're a thief. Yes. Okay, so let them think anything, but it's none of your business. You stick and focus on your goal. All right, so ignore them and you move on. Then you'll see like successful journey in this trading. Right, so uh, our number three rule is like don't compare your trades to others. Okay, don't compare your trades to others. Comparison is the thief of joy. Let me know if you have got it. Okay, that don't compare your trades to others. Comparison is the thief of joy. So let's say we are 10 traders, right? Yes, as me, like Richard FXC. So now like already we having same trade, right? Let's say we are all having a gold buy. Okay, we're all buying, but because now like for me I'm having like less capital, 100 USD. Let's say okay, 100 USD on my account, but then we find John. Okay, John who's having like 2,000, okay, capital in his account. So we're all having same trade, but like he's making like a lot of profit, you know, like concerning different in mine. So mine might be less, but his is much. You see that? So then again, I really say look at this guy. He's making like much money. So try to compare like your trades with his. So not something very good in this industry. Okay. So all of us, we're all traders. They are making $1. They are making what? But as long as you know what the term forex trading is and you know how to analyze the market, so you're a trader, right? So like stop comparing your trades to others, okay? Because remember, comparison is the thief of joy, okay? So you have to know that. So you stick on yours and do your own, okay? Just keep on grinding because the more you grind, the more you see the success in this industry, right? Yeah. Then our number four, because we said five rules, right? So the fourth point is the only person in charge of, the only person in charge of success is only you. There's no one else. Okay. The only person in charge of success is you. So it's you versus yourself. It's you versus yourself. Let me hope you understand that. It's you versus yourself. Like compared even in other sectors. Okay. So your success is on you. There's no one else who will come and say, yeah, who will give you success. No, it's you. You're in charge of it. So anything you decide, anything you decide, so that will be the decision, the last decision already you have made. Okay. So if you say that, yeah, like I won't make money, yeah, or it's very hard, or let's say that it doesn't exist. So anything you say to yourself, remember this term, anything you say to yourself, that it will limit you. Okay, anything you say very bad, it will remain very bad. Okay, because that's really negativity. Okay, which already you have implanted in yourself. So what do I mean? Probably try to avoid some of the words like try to avoid negativity. Okay, and be in charge of yourself. Okay, so if you want something very important, like I want to learn trading, I want to do it, I want to do it. So keep on doing it. Keep on doing, don't quit. Though you quit, but still you come back again. I know that because many people have done that, even myself also have done that. Okay, because already you have seen the good thing into it. All right. So it's you first yourself. Okay. Then our lastly, it's stop thinking so much. Yeah. So it's a brief. Stop thinking so much. Sometimes you just need to take action. So that's why we say less talk and more action. So that's a brief thing. Less talk and more action. Because the more you overthink a lot and you're on the right track, but you're overthinking a lot, okay, to say, when will I make it? When will I make it? If so and so is making it, what about me? So how will I make it? Already you're in the journey, okay? Anything you do in this life, as long as you have started it, anything you begin like this, never stop on the way. Better complete it and already you failed it. But if you stop in the middle, how you know that already it's good or bad? So if you overthink, so stop overthinking a lot. Stop thinking so much. Because if you think so much, you end up being what? Depressed, and a lot of things will happen on you. Okay? So it's better just make it simple. Less talk and more action. Okay, that is it. Like, let people laugh at you. Yes, it's good. Let them laugh. Okay, let them laugh. But also these very people who are laughing at you, they'll be the ones who are coming back to you. They're already seeing you at a certain level. Okay, so laughing is okay because it's part of life. Okay, but you who's in this game, you know what the reality is. And even like those actually, like, yeah, because I remember like, okay, I have my academy, yes, guys, I'm teaching, but also they can, like, they have the proof. All right, they have the proof that yes, sincerely it's working. Because that, you can come in this market having a lot of questions and complicated things, right? So it's better make it brief, less talk, more action. So let's really make it move. Okay, yeah. So on my next video, like, I'll probably, like, I want to show you like one of the uh past week, like how my trades has been, because I've been having some good trades. So like, I'll share them here, or in our next video I'll share it up, right? So kindly don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. All right, so just smash a like button and subscribe, so everything we shall see it. So we move forward, no looking back. Anything you begin, don't stop it until you finish it. All right, see you in the next video.